In this video, we'll show you how to start and join meetings in Google Meet. Google Meet has its own app in G Suite, which you can reach using the App Launcher button, in the same way as you switch to any other app. Any meetings coming up in your calendar will show. Click on a meeting to join it now. A new browser tab is opened with a button to join the meeting. We'll click on this now, and use the Leave Call button to leave the meeting when we're ready. You can start a new meeting at any time and invite guests as required. We'll return to the Google Meet homepage to do this now. We'll choose to join or start a meeting. Leave the meeting name blank for now. Then click on the button to join the new meeting. We can invite colleagues to the meeting by clicking on Add People. Google has given us suggestions based on the people we communicate with the most often. We'll invite William and send the invitation to him. Once he's received the invitation, he can click on the link in the email message to join the meeting. If we want to invite other people to the meeting, we can either add people manually or share a link to the meeting with everyone we want to join. We can view the link under Meeting Details. We can copy the joining information, then paste it into an email message, document or chat room. Anyone can then click on the link to join the meeting, both internal colleagues and external customers. You can also invite specific people at any time by expanding the People pane and clicking on Add People. We'll close this dialog box without inviting anyone else. Notice that our chat icon now has a 1 next to it, which means we have a message in the Hangout. We can type a reply and send it so that all other participants can view it. This is a good time to mention that if your meeting controls disappear at any time, you can click in the centre of the screen to show them again. When you start or join a video meeting, the audio and video settings will default to your system microphone and speakers. If you're using a headset or an external microphone and headphones, you may need to change the video meeting settings to use these in the call instead. Click on the ellipses in the bottom right corner of the screen to do this, and choose Settings. We don't currently have a webcam available, but we can set our microphone for outgoing audio and our speakers for incoming audio. We can also control the quality of the call, which we should keep on high definition unless we're in an area with low network bandwidth and want to use less bandwidth in our meeting. William has just started sharing his screen with us, so we can now see his screen rather than his profile picture or webcam feed, until he stops sharing. To share our own screen or a specific application that's open, we can click on the Present Now button. We'll choose to share a particular window only, and choose the one we want to share. Everyone in the meeting will be able to view our shared application, but won't be able to control it or make any changes. We can click on Stop Presenting to stop sharing our screen. A few other things to point out in the meeting. We can mute our microphone at any time so that the other participants won't hear anything from our side of the call, and can unmute it again if we want to speak. To leave the meeting, use the middle button along the bottom of the screen again. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris if you want to know more about G Suite.